Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crop in Figma. And right now, as you can see, I have an image uploaded inside Figma. It's basically a coffee cup in a beachside. So there are two ways to do this one. The first and quickest one is gonna be holding the control if you have a Windows PC or laptop, or the command button if you have a MacBook or Apple products. So if you hold it and then drag the edges like so, you'll see that the image will stay, and then I can crop it properly. Now, for example, you just drag it down without holding the command or control key, you'll take the image along with you while you do the edges, right? So basically, that's the first and easiest way. Second one is going to be if you highlight the image, on your right side, the design sections, you'll see fill, right? So if you click on it, the image, you'll see on this side crop. Basically, at the first, default is going to be fill. So if you want to crop it, choose crop and then basically crop it from here. So the idea here is, by default it's fill, but if you click on control, for example, control, hold it, and command, it's now turned into a crop motion, or rather crop option. It's not going to be fill anymore. Basically that's it. And that's how you crop in Figma. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.